There are a lot of 4K action cameras are out there, and there are a lot of other action cameras are coming out every month. But very few can actually get the necessary job done, or has it all or comes at an affordable price. Xiaomi Seabird 4K action camera is a camera that can do it all, and come only at $90. The camera was a crowd-funded project that was picked up the Xiaomi company, and went into mass production in 2017. The camera is powered by high silicon chipset that may not be flagship, but offers great support in low power consumption, image stabilization, and video processing. It has Sony 12-megapixel CMOS sensors, with f2.6 wide aperture, and 145-degree field of view. The camera also has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection, with 2-inch touchscreen for navigation. The Seabird action camera is a true 4K HDR-enabled action camera that can record video at 4K resolution. The video quality of the Xiaomi Seabird 4K action camera is one of the best. Not only it can record videos at 4K resolution at 30 FPS, but can record 1080p at 60 FPS, and 720p at 120 FPS for slow motion. The camera has 6-axis gyroscope that assists in electronic image stabilization. The stabilization of the camera is fairly great, but not the best since it doesn't have OIS in it. The stabilization is further away from the likes of GoPro, or other high-end cameras offer, but at the price point of $90, or less, the IS of the device works really well. However, the built-in mic of the device is also not that good. The action camera offers shooting modes like time warp, time-lapse, and bunch of other modes for capturing pictures. This camera also gives you the freedom to change sharpness, saturation, exposure and white balance in both video and photo mode. The color contrast and sharpness of the camera is really great. And the videos and photos look very good. It even lets user to control shutter speed in photo mode. The camera has EIS, which very good, and LDC, lens distortion correction, which counterbalances the aberrations caused by the wide-angle lenses. This camera can be connected via Bluetooth, and can be controlled via the app through Wi-Fi connectivity. The app for the Xiaomi Seabird 4K action camera is one of the best, and comes with a lot of options. The app is also made keeping in mind of the performance and stability. The app is also very well organized, and features are grouped in a way that offers easy access to all the relevant settings. The Xiaomi Seabird 4K action camera is super small, and lightweight camera, that comes in green, blue, and orange color. It is so portable that you can carry the camera in your pocket. The camera comes in a very small packaging, that only contains the camera itself with a lens cap, and a 1050 mAh battery inside, along with a micro USB cable. The battery is not much and doesn't last much longer, but you can charge it while shooting, so that shouldn't be much of a problem. The camera doesn't come with any accessories, but there are a lot of accessories available in the market for the camera that can offer much better shooting experience with the camera. To sum up all the features, the Xiaomi Seabird 4K action camera is one of the best 4K camera out there. That comes at $90 price point, and worth every dollar spent on it. Certainly, there are other great devices, but there are no other devices that offer so many features,